Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. We're in the kitchen again and using more radishes. Today's recipe is creamed radishes. It's kind of similar to creamed corn, but we're using radishes instead. To start off with, you will need 4 cups of washed radishes. Once you have your radishes cut the way you like them, add some water and bring them to a boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Now that the radishes are boiled for a few minutes and drained, we're going to add some butter to it, and then we're going to add a mixture of milk and flour. Thickened, it's ready to be served. Okay, this is what's for dinner tonight. We are having baked chicken with lemon and herbs. We are having sweet potatoes with sweetener and cinnamon. The sweetener I use is dehydrated cane juice, but you can use sugar, honey, agave, stevia, whatever sweetener. And of course, we have our creamed radishes over here. They are a very pale pink color. This is definitely a colorful plate, and it is a plate that has very diverse tastes. I hope this recipe has helped to inspire you to grow radishes in your garden and use them in your cooking. As always, have a blessed day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.